Hi everyone, welcome back. It's the 26th of March 2018, just gone 2 o'clock in the afternoon here in London, and I'm going to get straight into this. I've just looked at the charts. There's been some reasonable moves throughout the London session, just sitting down ready for the New York session. I've taken a few trades slightly early before the New York opens, and the reason for this is because of those earlier moves. So I'm not saying that they're going to win. I don't know whether they're going to go my way or not, but that's the way we trade and what we're looking out for. So like I say, I've seen some moves and I'm in some trades. I'll quickly run through these. Euro US dollar, I've taken that just a little way down there. It's just starting to move into profit. Euro Japanese yen, same there. I've taken that long, looking for further upside movement. Pound US dollar, I've taken this one long too. And the pound Japanese yen, I'm in this long. Nothing on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, nothing there. US dollar, Japanese yen, I've taken this one long. US dollar CAD, there's no entry for me there. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, nothing there. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, no entry for me there. So at the moment, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades on. And what I'll do, I'll pause for the moment, just get everything set up, as I haven't even written my journal up yet. And as soon as there's some moves or anything changes, I'll come back to you. So I'm pausing for a moment now. Back again, just to give you an update. I've completed my journal now and fully settled. I've only just got in, which is why I sat down, saw the moves on the charts and got trading straight away. And I've only just caught up with my journal and screenshots and everything else that I need to do. So I'll quickly run through these, giving you the levels that I've got in at. Euro US dollar, took this at 0.0. Hit our entry criteria, and so I've taken this long, looking for further upside movement. Euro Japanese yen, in this trade, that's gone through the 50 now, carrying on moving up. Took this at 39, looking for further upside movement. That's moving quite well at the moment. Hopefully it might be a quick day today, so see what happens. As we know though, it could always spin round and just come back down the other way, but it's looking good at the moment. Pound US dollar, I took this one, it hit out, as I looked at the charts, it was hitting our criteria. Pound US dollar, I got into this one at 94, looking for further upside movement. Pound Japanese yen, took this long at 26, again, further upside movement. Australian dollar, US dollar, nothing on that. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, I haven't been able to get in on that. US dollar, Japanese yen, took this at 13. Again, hit our criteria, and I'm looking for further upside movement. Gone through this 20 mark, looking for that to carry on up towards 50. See what it does. US dollar, Japanese yen, beautiful move going on here at the moment, but there's no way I can get in on that, so just got to sit and watch it run for the moment. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, there's no entries on that, and the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, no entries on that. So there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all looking good at the moment, but we know full well those trades can turn around at any time. Gonna see how it goes. Might even get out for a quick day today. So I'll pause again and I'll be back soon. Okay, just flick through the charts there. Saw the profit that I made, and I'm out of those trades now and flat the market. So it's taken probably around about 20 minutes. I'm just going to calculate what I've got now, go through the results and check how many pips I've got and see what kind of percentage profit I've made on these trades this afternoon. So I'll be back very shortly with more results. Back again just to quickly sum up those trades that I took and the fact that I'm flat now. In fact, it did me a real favour. I wasn't sure whether I was going to have time to trade today. Got lots of things to do, but luckily enough, those trades moved very, very quickly and gave me a reasonable return. So let's quickly run through these. Euro US dollar. You can see where I took this down here and let that trade run up there, making 15 pips. I punched out of that when I got to 15 pips. That's almost, well, it's very, very close to 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio on that win. So that's the Euro US dollar giving me 15 pips. The Euro Japanese yen. Took this down here at 39. Let the trade run up and up here. That gave me 23 pips, giving me more than 2 to 1 on that trade there. So the EJ gave me 23 pips. Pound US dollar. took this trade here, pound US dollar I took at 94, letting it run up here, giving me 14 pips, which is more than 1-to-1 risk to reward. Quite happy with that. Pound Japanese yen, took the pound Japanese yen here at 26 and punched out of this one once I'd made 21 pips on that. So that's given me very, very close to 2-to-1 risk to reward on the pound Japanese yen too. So these are great returns on on these trades, and like I say, very, very quickly in and out the market. There was one other trade, that was the US dollar Japanese yen. I took that at 13 and got out once it had made 9 pips. Well, I was punching at this point, I was just seeing the results and punching out straight away. As I say, I was limited for time and quite happy with these results. So 9 pips on the US dollar Japanese yen, which is close to 1-to-1 risk to reward. Ending with 82 pips. I actually started, I took my first trade at 2 p.m. London time, and I was finished within 23 minutes, and I finished up making 82 pips, giving me 3.7% on my capital. So that's it really. I'll wind this one up now and get this video put up on the YouTube channel. If you're enjoying these videos and getting anything from them, please feel free to get in touch with me and I can tell you more about how we trade, or you know, the method that we use. I'm working with Kim Krompers at the Price Action Traders Institute, and I can give you more information about finding out exactly how you can trade alongside us here. And please remember, just down underneath where my arrow is here somewhere, there should be a subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and then that way you'll get a heads up every time I put a new video up on the channel. You'll get a notification letting you know that there's a new one there, and you can pop in and have a look at that. Okay, thanks very much, and I shall see you again soon.